CHKDSK is a system tool in DOS, OS/2 and Windows. It verifies the file system integrity on hard disks or floppy disk and fixes logical file system errors. It is similar to the fsck command in Unix. The command is implemented as an executable program file. CHKDSK.EXE. Different operating systems all use the same file name, but the files are not necessarily compatible between operating systems. On Windows NT operating systems, CHKDSK can also check the disk surface for bad sectors and mark them. In MS-DOS 6X and Windows 9X, this is a task done by Microsoft ScanDisk. Windows Server version of CHKDSK is RAID-aware and can fully recover data in bad sectors on a disk in a RAID 1 or RAID 5 array if other disks in the set are intact. CHKDSK can be run from DOS prompt, Windows Explorer, Windows Command Prompt or Recovery Console. In Windows NT, conducting a CHKDSK can take some time, especially if using the /r parameter, which causes CHKDSK to attempt to recover data, and the results are often not visible, for various reasons. The results of a CHKDSK conducted on restart using Windows 2000 or later operating systems are written to the application log, with a source name of an init or winlog, except on some instances of the Windows 7 operating system, where the events may have a source name of CHKDSK. The standard version of CHKDSK supports the following switches. When running CHKDSK from the recovery console, the options are different. The /p is not read-only as in the standard version but corrects errors. CHKDSK requires the drive not to be locked. Therefore, after a command prompt with the syntax CHKDSK, volume /switch/switch /switch. If the drive cannot be locked, CHKDSK prints. CHKDSK cannot run because the volume is in use by another process. Would you like to schedule this volume to be checked the next time the system restarts? If Y is selected, CHKDSK will run on restart. If it does so, it prints that a disk check has been scheduled, that is, a disk check has been scheduled. Checking file system on C, the type of the file system is NTFS. Windows will now check the disk. Cleaning up minor inconsistencies on the drive. Cleaning up 318 unused index entries from index $SII of file 0x9. Cleaning up 318 unused index entries from index $SDH of file 0x9. Cleaning up 318 unused security descriptors. CHKDSK is verifying file data. File data verification completed. CHKDSK is verifying free space. Free space verification is complete. 14,996,645 kilobytes total disk space. 10,187,752 kilobytes in 88,054 files. 30,784 kilobytes in 5774 indexes. 0 kilobytes in bad sectors. 164,341 kilobytes in use by the system. 65,536 kilobytes occupied by the log file. 4,613,768 kilobytes available on disk. 4096 bytes in each allocation unit. 3,749,161 total allocation units on disk. 1,153,442 allocation units available on disk. In Windows Vista or Windows 7, CHKDSK's output will be piped to the app event log found in .exe log in the root folder of the drive. The MS-DOS 5 bug, CHKDSK and undelete in MS-DOS 5.0 have a bug which can corrupt data. If the file allocation table of a disk uses 256 sectors, running CHKDSK/F can cause data loss and running undelete can cause unpredictable results. This normally affects disks with a capacity of approximately a multiple of 128 megabytes. This applies to CHKDSK.EXE and undelete EXE with the date of 0491. This bug was fixed in MS-DOS 5.0a. See also, defragmentation, fsck, references. Further reading.